Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for IELTS without coaching. First, thoroughly understand the IELTS exam format and its scoring criteria. This foundational knowledge is crucial for effective self-study. Next, create a realistic study schedule, aiming to dedicate at least 2 hours every single day. Finally, identify your personal strengths and weaknesses across all 4 modules to tailor your preparation. For listening, practice with diverse English accents for at least 30 minutes daily. To boost reading, consistently read academic articles and newspapers to enhance speed and comprehension. For writing, regularly compose essays and reports, focusing on clear structure and varied vocabulary. Lastly, engage in daily speaking practice, perhaps recording yourself for valuable self-correction and fluency improvement. Leverage official IELTS preparation books and trusted online materials as your primary resources. Explore numerous free online platforms offering sample tests and extensive vocabulary lists. Consider joining online forums or study groups for peer feedback and to maintain motivation. Crucially, take full-length practice tests under strict timed conditions at least once every week to simulate the actual exam environment. Consistently expand your vocabulary and grammar range to achieve a higher band score. Learn to manage your time effectively during the actual exam to complete all sections. It is vital to stay calm and confident throughout your entire preparation journey. Always review your mistakes thoroughly to learn from them and continuously improve your performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.